Hi, my name is Taryn Smith. I'm here at Jerry's Music Shop in South Hadley, Massachusetts. Here today to talk to you about using your air on the trumpet and creating a good flow between notes. So one of the most obvious things when you are playing a wind instrument, the trumpet being a wind instrument because we use our air, is that we need to have a good stream of air through our instrument at all times. Now the first thing that we have to do is make sure that we can get full lung capacity, and good posture is going to really help with that. So refer back to the videos about the good posture that we talked about with playing position, and once you have that, we can breathe fully. Now when you breathe, you want to make sure that your body's in a relaxed position. Obviously you'll be holding your instrument at the time. You need to inhale into your lungs and really fill up the bottom of your lungs first, and then your lungs are going to expand outwards, okay? So when you breathe in air, I want you to visualize or think about using the word home, but inhaling or saying home backwards. That's going to give a nice open space in your mouth, and that's going to allow the most efficient air to go in. So just slowly inhale using the word home backwards, not verbalizing it though. So what you'll notice is that you are able to get hopefully able to get full air down into your bottom of your lungs, and then your body started to expand. Now you're going to notice that your belly and your back expand as well when you're doing that. Your chest will have some motion in it as well, but we do not want our shoulders to go up, okay? Please remember that your lungs are not in your shoulders. So when you inhale, try and fill up from your belly. If you put one hand here, I want you to feel some movement down here. So let's breathe. Let's try and breathe in for 4 slow counts. Okay, and you don't need to hold your breath at the very top. Once it's full, just release it. Okay, let's try that again. Now you will notice that your chest will expand just a bit. That is not a bad thing. That just means that the upper part of your lungs are becoming full as well as the bottom part of your lungs. So once you feel like you're getting a good breath, you can take your instrument, okay? Go into good playing position. Now I want you to just play a long tone. See how long you can make that note last. For the purpose of this video, I won't hold it for as long as I can. Challenge yourself to see how long you can make that sound last. Now, what you can do on your instrument is you can start moving your valve combinations around. Now, this is assuming that you've got some pretty basic skills accomplished first on the instrument. Even as a younger player, you can do this. Maybe choose just 2 notes to go back and forth between. And I want you to visualize just a slur, and we're just going to play one long note, then interrupt it with our valves, okay? Let's just choose F and G. Let's just go back and forth between those notes to start. Now notice we do need to make some adjustments with our lips because we are doing 2 different pitches, but the air stream did not change. It was as if I was just playing this note. And my air was just continuous. Okay, notice I'm not interrupting it with my tongue. We just want that flow to come out. Now these are a few good flow studies that I really enjoy playing, and it actually starts off pretty narrow of a range, and then as you progress the range increases, but it always ends on the same bottom note. Here are some flow studies that I really enjoy. Again, expanding the range. Now if you notice, I'm not doing anything different with my air It is literally just one stream of air coming out, being interrupted by my valves, and my lips are adjusting as needed. So as you're playing the trumpet, I really want you to get used to creating a really great airstream that is uninterrupted without having to inhale, exhale constantly, unless you do need to breathe after phrases or before a new entrance. Keep practicing these types of exercises, working on your flow from note to note with a good airstream, and before you know it, you'll be a great trumpet player with a great quality sound.